if I'm a hitter, if I'm just picking it up, dropping it, boom, I'm trapped, okay? But if I get into my backside on my negative move and my forward move and I press my hip and knee, my heel just leaves the ground naturally. You don't want to have to focus on getting your heel off the ground. You want that to be a natural thing. That's why guys like Bryce Harper and Mike Trout and Giancarlo Stanton, all those guys, when they drive forward, their heel either lifts or drags. They never sit back here and squish the bug, so to speak. You want to get away from that. So when the ball comes, you're going to load and you're going to press the hip and knee forward towards the pitcher, and your heel's just going to come off the ground naturally.